Welcome back to Garn's Garage. David Garn here. If your check engine light is on and you've got a P0430 code, you're in the right place. Today I'll break down what this code means, common causes, and how to diagnose and fix it. Let's dive in. P0430 means catalyst system efficiency below threshold for bank 2. In simple terms, your catalytic converter isn't working efficiently enough. So what does that mean for your car? Well, you might experience poor fuel economy, loss of engine power, a rotten egg smell from the exhaust, and a flashing check engine light, which means it's serious. This code can pop up for a few reasons. Here are the most common ones: a bad catalytic converter, most common; faulty O2 sensors sending wrong readings, exhaust leaks before or near the cat, engine misfires dumping unburned fuel into the cat, and a rich or lean fuel mixture. From bad injectors, vacuum leaks, or fuel pressure issues. Since bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1, check your manual to find the correct side for your vehicle. Alright, let's get into the diagnosis part. Tools you'll need: an OBD2 scanner. I will put a link in the description of the ones I use. An infrared thermometer and some basic hand tools. Step 1, scan for codes. If you see P0430 along with misfire or fuel trim codes, you might have a bigger issue. Step 2, check for exhaust leaks. Look for cracks or leaks near the catalytic converter and O2 sensors. Step 3, check catalytic converter efficiency. A working converter should be about 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius hotter at the outlet than at the inlet. If the temps are the same, the cat isn't working right. Step 4, monitor the O2 sensor data. The front O2 sensor should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts, while the rear O2 sensor should stay relatively steady. If the rear sensor mimics the front one, the cat is failing. If the catalytic converter is bad, replacement is the best fix, but before you swap it out, make sure another issue didn't cause the failure. Here's how to replace a catalytic converter. Unbolt the old catalytic converter. You might need penetrating oil for rusty bolts. Install the new one, OEM, or high quality aftermarket preferred. Reconnect everything and clear the code. If you have a misfire or rich running engine, fix that first, or you'll just ruin the new converter. If your cat isn't totally dead, you can try these temporary fixes. Catalytic converter cleaner might help if it's just slightly clogged. Fix vacuum leaks or fuel trim issues to prevent future cat damage. Check spark plugs and ignition coils because misfires can kill cats fast. Regular maintenance like changing your spark plugs, fixing misfires, and keeping your air-fuel ratio in check will help prevent P0430 from coming back. Once everything is fixed, start your car, clear the code, and take it for a test drive. If the check engine light stays off and the O2 sensor readings look good, you're in the clear. And that's it, guys. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to follow car repair tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to help.